pack with me video. I'm just going over for the weekend, so it's not really gonna be that much, but I still want to do a pack with me video, so I'm gonna get that together. So this is my bag. So I thought I was gonna bring my backpack, but I mean it's just a weekend, so I'm just gonna bring this. I just got a 5 in blue, that's why I texted on there. And morning. Good morning. I just got my towel, my beach towel, even if we go to the beach, I don't know. My swimming suits, underwear, and this bag I'm just gonna put stuff in. I need to put like my toothbrush and all that in here. So let's get started. I'm gonna fix my bed also, so don't like pay attention to it. But anyways, I'm just gonna put some, I'm just gonna pop this tag off, to be honest. I'm just gonna put some stuff inside here. Towel. I really don't know which shorts I should bring, but here's these shorts. Oh, wait. There's these shorts. These shorts. So I don't know. I'm only staying for like 3 days, so I'm just gonna bring all of them. 'Cause I don't know my sense of style and what I want to do that day. So I'm just gonna bring all these 3. Oh wait, there's another one, floral one. So I'm overpacking, but you know, it's fine. Might bring some dresses too. Actually, let me stop. Let me just pick 2. I'll pick. Okay, I'll leave this one out because I don't really think I'm gonna wear that color. And then just have these 2. Have these 2. And then I'm just gonna put my Burley, my makeup pads, makeup wipes, and my toothbrush. And I'm gonna put my makeup in here also, but I barely wear makeup, so. And I need to pick out some shirts. I'm gonna bring my 2 perfume and lotion that my friend gave me. I'll put that also in here maybe. I don't know, maybe I'll just put it in here. I'm not really gonna use this bag, so just throw it over there. I'm gonna be bringing my mascara. Actually, I won't bring my mascara. I'll just bring the powder, brush, and eyeliner, and beauty blender, and my mascara. Just gonna put that on here. And that's pretty much just gonna be in here. Oh, and I have to get like some toothpaste. I don't know. Yeah, I need toothpaste. I don't know if my mom's gonna bring it or not, so. That's just gonna go right in there. I still haven't picked out my shirts, so let me go pick that out. Okay, so I'm gonna do like the kind of shirts that I have on right now, like these t-shirts. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, it's a t-shirt. And then maybe like one dress. This one. Over that one. And just cause I know I'm overpacking, it's like not even that serious, but maybe the shirt too. And then my shorts, wherever my shorts are. These shorts with like the flowers on them. Okay. I think that's what I'm gonna be bringing, that's all. So also gonna bring some extra sponges. Put these shirts in there.
And this dress. Have this shirt. And then I am gonna bring like night clothes. Or sleeping clothes, but
I'm also gonna bring I might take some stuff out, but I'm also gonna bring this white tank top and this black tank top. And then maybe I only need one of these. Actually, this one. Okay, so that's it. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the vacuum, but the overview of my bag. I got this little thing at Ross, by the way. So all my stuff is in here. Clothes. I bought a lot of tank tops. So, well, it's a beach towel, not actual towel, because we're gonna go in the hotel. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's my pack with me. Oh, I have my other purse. I'm gonna just put obviously my wallet, my headphones, and this is just gonna be in my car, in the car with me. Yeah, that was my pack with me. I might do something with my hair after, but I'm definitely gonna vlog my experience going to my vacation. So I'm going to take a thumbnail real quick, and then that'll be it. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.